These are the south tower lifts at Circle and Cavill. Cab. Lift number 9, 16 kilograms for one person, still 2005 for this one. For one more ride, level P4. See, is there a map? Oh yeah, here. Map. South lifts, the little monospace, and the north lifts. South tower gets 4 lifts, which are all set, and the north tower gets 3 lifts, or 2 lifts for the low rise, and 2 for the high rise, and 1 surface lift, which seems a bit underkill. She's always waiting for a while, but not that bad of a big of a problem really. Here's this one. Run for one more ride to level 4. Using the DDA panel this time. Nice delta buttons. The time's all wrong. Actually, is that right? I might be right actually. Is it left in? Oh, great.